Happy Thanksgiving.
Hi, you've reached John and Lori at Back Home With Us, and we are just about ready to make some yummy homemade whipped topping for our homemade pies. Pretty easy. I'm sure everybody pretty much knows this by now, but it's just a half a cup of powdered sugar, 2 cups whipping cream, and some vanilla, and you just let it go. So we're just gonna let that go. And you are going to watch some yumminess in action. There's our 2nd cup. Doesn't have to be perfect. And a little bit of vanilla.
Just a little touch.
Just a little touch.
Just a little touch.
And we are going to let this sucker go for a little bit. And we will have homemade topping for our pie before you know it.
How many minutes? How long?
Just maybe 2.
2 minutes, maybe?
Maybe. And in the meantime, I am going to go over here to our pies.
2 minutes on a medium setting or low setting?
Medium setting. You want to get it nice and mixed in for a little bit and then turn it up more. Are you going to come over here and see these pies? There's our, I took a little test nibble out of the middle of that.
See that.
French silk and pumpkin. He likes pumpkin and I like chocolate. And then I've just got some chocolate bar here that I'm just going to do some shavings for. So then once that is done, we are ready to top this with some chocolate pieces, which will be heaven. And again, nothing is perfect. Nothing has to be perfect. But it sure makes it pretty and tasty. Then when you have extra, you can just nibble on the chocolate.
Good. Looks delicious.
You can see that it's already starting to fluff up. We'll just turn it up even more. Pretty easy and nothing tastes better, let me tell you. Anybody that has not tried this, it is so worth it. We are there. Okay, just get this off. You can tell it is definitely ready. Nothing like it. Okay, so now we're going to top our pies. See, nobody will even know that I tested that middle piece. It's just going to be heavenly. You guys will know, but you won't tell. Right? Nobody tell on me. Nobody needs to tell.
Took a piece out of the center.
And who needs to know that? Nobody. Nobody needs to know that. Nobody needs to know. Tell me this doesn't look like heaven. Ugh. It's pretty easy, pretty yummy. Definitely worth a try. And then also what I do, I'll be right back, is I just get a fork and I just kind of go around and just kind of puff it up a little bit. Again, nothing fancy.
Kind of like daubing the ceiling when you drywall.
Mm.
Mmm. Without the chocolate.
Now tell me, folks. Tell me that is not yummy.
Leave us a comment and see. Tell us what you think.